subject of today's video is a review of John Crostani's affiliate marketing training program called the Super Affiliate System, or SAS. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, the Super Affiliate System is an affiliate marketing course developed by John Crostani to show you how to get a piece of the massive $12 billion affiliate marketing industry. He guides you through his course and shows you how to make money even without owning your own product. I will review the Super Affiliate System to decide if it is really the best affiliate marketing course out there. I'll discuss whether the affiliate marketing industry is the right online business for you. Now, pros. What did I like about John Crostani's course? It's great for beginners. It has a lot of valuable content. John Crostani is reliable. His customer service will get back to you when you email them. It's easy to follow and understand, and it has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now the cons, what I didn't like about the John Crostani program. John Crostani's flamboyance, the helicopters, the girls in bikinis, the $100 bills shooting out of a gun, and the Lamborghinis. He does not need all that pretense because he has the knowledge and experience to teach others about affiliate marketing. It's a bit expensive at $997. It is not for really experienced affiliate marketers, but is an excellent start for beginners. The course could have used some more advanced techniques, but they are working on those. John Crostani's Super Affiliate System is a training course that explains how to raise affiliate income to produce money from products you do not own. The concept is to have a landing page that will convert visitors into buyers while earning money off each sale. Crostani concentrates on using paid advertisements to generate visitors to your web page. Solo ads and Google ads and Facebook. The Super Affiliate System is among the most intensive classes on the market, featuring more than 50 hours of content for 6 weeks. The system features tutorials and video lectures paired with quizzes and homework assignments to check on the content's retention. The Super Affiliate System is developed to give affiliate marketers an extensive program for getting great affiliates. Thus, the coverage of this program is extensive. You can find the following information in the following modules. He has stuff on Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, native ads, social ads, website creation. He has videos on content creation, niche selection, affiliate networks, ClickFunnels, tracking and testing, scaling, and advanced strategies. Now, who is John Crostani? John Crostani is a digital marketer and an entrepreneur that has been doing business online since 2011. He has evolved himself as an internet mogul within the entrepreneur community. Crostani began his voyage after getting laid off from his corporate work. He began affiliate marketing and found success in the medical niche. Since that time, Crostani has taught his affiliate marketing method to others and has been featured in many publications like Business Insider and Forbes. How much is the Super Affiliate System? The Super Affiliate System costs $997, and there's a payment plan alternative for 3 payments of $397 for a total of $1191. The Super Affiliate System has a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. The money-back promise is quite daring, and we praise John Crostani for it. Obviously, you should not purchase the program with the intention to obtain a refund, or you'll be expected to show work if you wish to get a refund. The guarantee must be regarded as a means to reduce your risk, not as a means to get through the program less seriously. It must go without saying that you need to take it seriously if you invest $9.97 in a program. Now, what does the Super Affiliate System cover? It has 14 individual course modules with multiple teaching videos in each course module, followed by a quiz and then a final exam at the end. You can only access each module after 24 hours have passed. John does not want you to rush through the system without digesting what you just learned. And you can also keep repeating courses that you've already taken. There are also weekly live training webinars. One is free, and the other is taught by John himself and does have a charge. So, is the Super Affiliate System a scam? Not technically. You can make money with this program, but making money with affiliate marketing definitely isn't as easy as the company makes it sound. You have to be highly motivated, highly focused. You have to be teachable, and the transition to a $50K to $100K full-time income in affiliate marketing could take as long as 2 years, so do not give up your day job quite yet. Driving traffic is extremely difficult. In order to do it successfully, you need to at least understand all these things, if not be a ninja at them. They include copywriting, Google Ads, Facebook ads, content writing, website building, conversion optimization, automation, email marketing, and click tracking, retargeting and remarketing, SEO, and backlinking, and a lot more. Overall, John Crostani's Super Affiliate System course does deliver. It has a structured curriculum that will walk you through the entire practice of starting an internet affiliate business. Additionally, it has lots of extras that will provide you with an advantage when you begin building your affiliate marketing system. It has swipe files, free advertisement credits, etc. 100% money-back guarantee backs the program course. Therefore, the risk is minimal. We admire that John Crostani stands by the caliber of his course and supports it with assurance. The course itself covers many crucial topics and absolutely delivers on the product sales page's promise. We just include one caveat. Affiliate marketing isn't simple. You have got to really gut it out. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system, and you can find his link below. The best Google ad and clickbait training are with John Crostani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is also a giant in the online marketing business. And Anthony has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2Com $1 Million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube top followers, just like John Crostani. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crostani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, just click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.